Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Subaru Ascent Touring. This thing is absolutely amazing. I love it so much. 2.4 liter turbocharged boxer motor. Actually has a pretty good sound to it. I'm surprised. This panoramic sunroof. Third row, really nice. Tons of room back here. I'm surprised. All your climate controls. Yeah! Total price on this one comes to $46,055, which is not bad considering what you're getting. And this is absolutely fully loaded too. I don't think there's an option that this doesn't have. All really nice leather lined dashboard, heated and cooled seats, your X mode, which is your off-road mode. Really nice. This is fitted with the CVT transmission. You do have paddles behind the wheel, and we will experiment with those. Without further ado, let's get going. A little bit of mini off-roading. Really good amount of power from the 2.5? Yeah. No, 2.4. 2.4, 2.5, one of the two. I review 8 cars a day, so they all start to blend together at the end of the day. I mean, that is just phenomenal. Once you settle down a bit, it's really nice. Super comfortable. No complaints at all. Very luxurious, especially for under 50,000. This has some of the features that you come to expect in something 60 to 70,000. So it's pretty cool. I'm a huge fan of the Ascent. Out of all the 3-row SUVs out there, I do like this one a lot. Really great vehicle. After driving 8 Subarus today, I definitely like the brand a lot. It's a really great brand. They make some great products. You can hear the wastegate pretty well. It's like a little sneeze under the hood. Paddle shifters work really, really well. The shifts aren't abrupt at all either. Wow, this is phenomenal. Brake pedal feels great. Not overly sensitive like a performance car would be or anything like that. It's definitely family friendly. Is that a good? Well, that's a great term to use for a 3-row SUV. But yeah, it's a very, very, very easy to use brake pedal. You're not gonna get in for the first time and put yourself through the windshield like some cars I've driven. I don't know how Quincy deals with these narrow streets. It is a big vehicle. Any 3-row SUV is going to be a bigger vehicle. One of the fun facts about the Ascent is it has 14 cup holders inside, scattered about. Maybe when I get back to the dealership, I'll locate all 14. Because you got 2 in here, got 3 in the door. Wow! You have 3 in the driver's and passenger side door. Yeah, there's a lot of cup holders in here. This would be great for a road trip. Cross country, town to town. Be very, very cool. Right there is your lane departure warning. I had that turned off, but I decided to turn it back on just because this vehicle is a little bit wider. I'm not used to these roads. Kind of keeps me in check, make sure I'm not, gonna hit a car. Yep, nope, not doing that. It's a really, really nice Pontiac 1970 Le Mans. Just wish you'd take up a little less of the road. Yeah, overall, the Ascent is an excellent vehicle. No complaints at all with the Ascent. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.